The electric Enduro space just shifted again. The Stark Varg EX has been setting the benchmark with its extreme power delivery, lightweight chassis, and software-driven control system, but a new challenger has entered the arena. The Radian EXR has just landed, bringing a different philosophy to the fight: bigger battery options, rapid swap capability, and a slightly heavier but more endurance-focused setup. This isn't just another comparison on paper. It's a clash between integrated performance and modular practicality. Can the Varg EX still dominate, or has the EXR finally brought a real alternative worth challenging it? Let's find out. Starting with powertrain architecture, the Stark Varg EX uses a 360 volts permanent magnet AC motor housed in a carbon fiber casing, delivering 60 HP in the standard setup and up to 80 horsepower in the Alpha variant. The key advantage is not just peak output, but the precision of control, as Stark integrates fully digital power curve mapping that allows output scaling anywhere between 10 and 80 horsepower through its app interface. This creates a very wide usability range, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced riders. In contrast, the Radian EXR uses a 336 volts internal permanent magnet motor with a carbon sleeved rotor, producing a fixed 70 horsepower and 1060 Newton meter of torque, slightly higher than Stark's 1036 Newton meter. However, without equally advanced fine-tuned delivery control, Stark's adjustable throttle mapping and engine braking system gives it a clear edge in drivetrain flexibility and real-world riding adaptability. Moving into battery architecture and energy strategy, the gap between these two philosophies becomes very clear. The Stark Varg EX uses a 7.2 kilowatt-hour pack built around a patented honeycomb magnesium structure, engineered not just for energy storage, but also for structural rigidity and thermal stability. Depending on riding intensity, range can vary from roughly 1.3 to 7 hours, with an estimated 20% gain over the MX platform. Charging remains efficient, reaching full capacity in about 1 to 2 hours on a 240 volt supply, or around 3.5 hours on a standard 120 volt setup. On the other side, the Radian EXR pushes a more utilitarian approach with an 8.6 kilowatt-hour endurance pack and an optional 5.8 kilowatt-hour sprint battery. Its standout feature is the tool-free swap system, enabling battery changes in under 30 seconds. Charging from 20 to 80% takes about 90 minutes at 3.3 kilowatt-hour. Stark wins integration, but Radian takes endurance flexibility. The chassis and suspension philosophy of these two machines shows a clear split in engineering direction. The Stark Varg EX uses a high-strength chromoly steel mainframe paired with an aluminum subframe, prioritizing controlled flex characteristics for improved traction and precise rider feedback. Its KYB 48mm closed cartridge front fork delivers 300mm of fully adjustable travel in compression and rebound. In contrast, the Radian EXR adopts an aluminum twin-spar chassis that also functions as a thermal heat sink for drivetrain cooling, combining structure and thermal management in one integrated design. It offers 300mm suspension travel at both ends with fully adjustable KYB components. However, Stark's additional rear travel and more compliance-focused frame tuning give it a more connected, responsive off-road feel, securing the win in this category. Braking systems and rolling hardware are closely matched on paper, but the execution tells a different story once you break it down in detail. The Stark Varg EX runs Brembo hardware paired with a 260mm Galfer front disc and a 2-piston caliper, while the rear uses a 220mm disc with a 1-piston caliper setup. It sticks to the proven 21-inch front and 18-inch rear Enduro wheel configuration. And with a remarkably low 120 kiloliter curb weight, braking response feels sharper and direction changes more immediate under aggressive load. The Radian EXR also uses Brembo components, but shifts the equation by replacing the traditional rear foot brake with a left-hand lever system, which changes rider ergonomics significantly. It keeps the same 21/18 wheel setup, but weight varies between 113 kilograms and 125 kilograms, depending on battery choice, which affects consistency in handling feel. Overall, Stark Varg EX wins this round for agility and control precision. Practicality and rider interaction highlight a clear split in design philosophy between the two machines. The Stark Varg EX focuses heavily on digital integration, with its removable smartphone-style Arkenstone Stark dashboard, acting as a full control hub for ride modes, power mapping, GPS navigation, and system tuning. It also comes fully road homologated with a 4,000 lumen LED headlight, indicators, brake lights, and mirrors, making it a true dual-purpose enduro machine. Seat height sits at 99 centimeters, reducing slightly under sag for real-world riding comfort. The Radian EXR takes a more minimal approach, offering a simplified display focused on timing data and Bluetooth app support. However, it adds a 7-liter under-seat storage compartment, improving everyday usability. Stark wins tech and road integration, while Radian edges practicality. When looking at real-world performance consistency, both bikes operate at an elite level but follow very different philosophies. The Stark Varg EX focuses on controlled aggression, allowing riders to scale power delivery from tame to extreme, depending on terrain or skill level. This makes it highly adaptable across technical trails and mixed riding conditions. The Radian EXR prioritizes stability and endurance repeatability, especially with its modular battery system that supports continuous riding with minimal downtime. However, its slightly higher weight and less refined power scaling reduce precision in tight technical sections. In this comparison, the Stark Varg EX wins for tuning depth and agility, while the Radian EXR leads in sustained endurance operation. Thank you for tuning in. Overall, the Stark Varg EX stands as the more complete and technically refined machine, delivering superior integration between power delivery, chassis feedback, weight efficiency, and digital control systems. While the Radian EXR brings genuinely innovative modular battery swapping and impressive endurance flexibility, it feels more like a specialized tool than a fully balanced enduro platform. If you want precision, agility, and a unified riding experience, the Stark is the clear direction. If your priority is long-haul continuity and battery logistics, Radian still holds value. Drop your thoughts below. Would you pick refinement or modular endurance in real-world riding scenarios?